Let's hope it's not the pain train. All right, I'm going to step away for a little bit, go get some fresh air. I'm going to leave my book map up and running on Discord. Nice little transition for KC to come in.
Let's go.
So I will catch you guys in a little bit.
Sounds good. See you, Dan.
KC's going to be like, anybody long?
I'm like, dude, I should be.
I'm probably going to do it right here. Oh, 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 oh. I just don't feel great about it or I'd long it again. It's NFP. What happened to Marvell? I mean, even though some of the, like, it's like Marvell yesterday closed the day up 10% and it's down 5 today. This is a normal, like, half back retrace. No, those SPCX options are not cheap. I looked earlier. I said, whoa. That's why I bought SPCQ. And I'm slightly green on. That's it. Send it.
I'm pissed. I locked out, but I went along. I'm for real going away.
It's all right. I'm not feeling degen enough, but I don't know. You come right into the 21 here and get smacked, and then you're just like, okay, well, thank God I didn't do anything dumb.
Exactly.
I do like, I just still like Dell a lot. SMCI, I don't like. I hate that company. Jordan, Bitcoin might be a short again.
Yeah. I don't doubt it.
So the way I read it,
$30, Jesus Christ.
the biggest point of control, that entire consolidation is right here. It's also the 21 EMA. And we put in 2 upper wicks right into that point of control. And you look left, you can see why. If we lose 65, we're going to 62 quick. If we lose 62, this thing is toast. K-bar. Clap, clap. Here's a 21. Here's your moment of truth. Green today, and think we'll call it a day. Look, I know some people in our Discord. I just saw people posting screenshots, locked up accounts with profits in them, locked up for the day. That's not a bad move. I think we rotate back upwards here but I'm fighting a downtrend to think like in my analysis. So I'm up big on the day. I've had a great day. I hope you've all had a great day. Some of you caught some of these moves. Some nice action. Let's see. I had a. I don't even remember what I did this morning. I longed something this morning. And then I shorted something. And I longed something. Then I longed it. Almost the exact low of day. There's some updated headlines here on the Iran stuff that came out a minute ago. There's an exclusive here. U.S. Iran framework agreement includes plans for $300 billion private fund to trigger investment in Iran. Source with direct knowledge of agreement tells Reuters. $300 billion Iran investment fund will only become operational once final deal signed. Exclusive $300 billion Iran investment fund is a private vehicle with no government money, separate from negotiations over Iranian sovereignty assets frozen abroad. More than half of the $300 billion Iran investment fund has already been secured in commitments from companies in U.S. Gulf Arab states, Asia, South America, and Africa. More than half of the $300 billion. Yeah, the same. That's the same. That last one's twice. So no government money, all private money for the $300 billion, and it's an investment fund into Iran once the final deal is signed, even though it's electronically signed. Then it's like a 2.2-part signature. It's kind of a weird formality thing. There you go. Gabriel made 2K today and locked yourself out. You know, I like to hear that. I think this is going to fly back to 600. Fly, Eagles, fly. The art of the deal. Still a pretty mean downtrend here. I don't believe S&P is fly. This is a legit double top for me, and nothing changed until the Fed talk. Where's the double top at? Look, I'd be willing to bet we get a new all-time high. I don't know the time frame on it. Probably July 4th. Next 2.5 weeks, probably sooner, but I think we get a new all-time high. by July 4th. And we're about to get the hourly close. All right, guys, we could go back on the stream. What did I say there earlier on the hourly? We could go back and find this. Down candle, indecision, inverted candle. And I said the next hour we'll probably have to come down and test the lows again and then try to put in something like this. I drew this out like an hour ago. No, like 2 hours ago. During this candle. Yes, look at this bottom wick. About to close, big bottom wick on the hourly. 30 minutes trying to engulf on NQ here. Our downtrend is breaking. Can we flip these EMAs and hold a higher low somewhere? TBD. $30-minute SPY, you say, is a double top? Ahmet? Where? What's up, Brent? How are the horses? Old Brent out there cutting horses, cutting trades. This could be a 15-minute reversal here.
What's up?
What's up, Casey?
What's up? I just covered a little bit of a short. Good long getting down there near 400. I just shorted it at 502.
Gonna hold. It's gonna do it here.
Yep.
You could probably do it right there.
The SPX Iron Condor from this morning is up 80%. I still have not trimmed any profit from that. I'm letting that expire for full profit. No trims.
Check MES 1 month chart. Yeah, but that has a contract roll in it. Do you back adjust or not on yours M22? You adjust for the contract change and it's first off, we're at the midpoint where it was 14 days left of this, but still early. But if you just use the current candle, it's a little bit gross. The monthly open, I need to mark that. What is that monthly open? 705. Is Nvidia going to be the thing that pushes us back up here in the back half?
Dude, Nvidia hasn't moved in 5 hours.
It went down there, wicked yesterday's low, and just tracked its way back up.
It's like the opening candle, first 5 minutes was the only thing that happened, and then after that, just nothing. Tesla is like just as bad.
Tesla's going to be in a weird spot because of the SpaceX thing. I think it's just going to trade very erratic, more so than normal. Because like they own pieces of SpaceX, so it'll track some with it. You have people shifting between the two. I don't know. I think it's going to be interesting. Ahmed asked KC, "How is the apocalypse going on, bro? What does that mean?"
What apocalypse?
Hey, I don't know. Brent caught the whole downside today.
Oh yeah, he did.
Brent caught the whole downside and had a baby doctor's appointment.
Let's go.
Probably rode his horse to the baby doctor appointment.
And I was short at 8:02 this morning, and then I closed it for minus 20 points, and then I watched it go 300.
Yeah,
it was brutal.
Honestly, I don't even remember what all I did at this point today. I think I longed something this morning.
Apple's starting to come in a little bit. It was strong pretty much all day.
I'm pretty sure I longed something this morning, made some money on it. Oh, it was the gap fill. I longed the gap fill this morning. I remember now. I longed like 800 to like 870. And then I shorted 750, or I chased it. I think it was like 730 or 740 when I got in to new lows. And then I longed somewhere else. I did long 420s earlier, which was beautiful. 120 plus point move.
Yeah, Corey's starting to pop
One
some
loss somewhere in the
volume.
middle. I took a loss on ES somewhere.
It has a potential weekly reversal set up right now. It looks good for potential call swings.
What's that case?
CoreWeave.
Nice. CoreWeave.
Yeah, if it bounces, I mean, it did, but you go to your weekly, you can kind of articulate an inverse head and shoulders, a higher low with a morning star reversal right there as well. So it's looking pretty good. I'm looking at some call swings on this one.
Yeah, that looks good. Did a little undercut of the 200-day and just swooped back.
Might wait until after FOMC. See how that weekly closes.
ES is like trying to drag us down here now.
I'm still in this short.
Look at the volume on IWM. Are you still bullish on now? I'm assuming that's a KC question because I'm not. Haven't been.
Now I don't have any position on now anymore. Now's just stuck. You have a big spot below it around 98.50, and then your resistance above it is around 107, and then your midpoint zone is kind of where it's at right now between 101.3 and 103.3, and it's just stuck in there right now. It's in a weekly squeeze going on week number 2 with bullish divergence, so I think it just needs more time.
I think I really want to get long right here. I just want to push my luck because I'm up. Nice.
I like the long idea down here.
I just don't think it falls apart. I think it just gonna tracks its way back up a little bit into the close, and then it probably falls more overnight, and then tomorrow's probably just all over the place.
You think FOMC tomorrow is going to be a decent mover?
I think it's gonna be volatile.
Yeah,
I mean, we'll see.
I hope so.
There's a few like different ways that I'm thinking about it. Because like first meeting of a new Fed chair, I think it's just going to be more volatile, like on every word he says. Nobody really knows what he's going to say, so I think it's going to be hard to gauge it. But I think we're also going to find out how much the market is paying attention to his commentary. And it may grab some attention tomorrow. Because if he comes out like when his first one, if he comes out and kind of like tries to set a set a tone. I don't know if that's the phrase I'm looking for, but kind of like set a path of what he's envisioning. It could create some interesting reactions. I also want to know if he's going to wear a purple tie.
I hope he, you know what? I hope he wears like crazy
polo.
ties.
I hope he wears a bolo tie.
Yeah, like just something come out with like one that's got like cartoons on it or comic, you know, like crazy designs, something fun. Oh, I know McDonald's. McDonald's and Pepsi, dude. I'm telling you. I like these ones. I'm in one of them, not in the other. But I like McDonald's and Pepsi. That monthly looking spicy. Yeah, Apple printed a sell signal at 135. It's coming in right when it closed back under 300.
about time to play with some AI. Forget about trading for the afternoon.
Google's still green.
What are you playing with Claude?
No, Claude sucks at images. Claude's super smart, sucks at images. Can do
Yes.
graphics. Claude will do good graphics for you, but sucks at like meme images.
ChatGPT is so much better for those.
That's why, yeah.
That's what
The
I use.
thumbnail that I did on Friday, I used ChatGPT because they just so
What'd
much
you
better.
post on Friday?
The thumbnail Friday.
Oh, the thumbnail. Gotcha.
Yeah, ChatGPT
Yeah,
is just way better at graphics.
That was a great thumbnail.
I mean, QQQ broke the downtrend. Finally.
You might be able to get a little 5-minute squeeze candle upside if SPY can start playing ball right now.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Google's getting a little pop here, I'm seeing.
Yeah. It printed a little higher low. There's a morning star on the 5. It signaled along right at 205.
I don't know.
Want to see a textbook 5-minute morning star reversal? Google. There you go.
And higher low.
Yeah. She is popping.
Tell you what's not popping in Q.
Nah. I'll put an order down at 55. And do 57.
Look at my look at this. Tell me you wouldn't full port if you saw this.
That would be wild. Give me one more shot downside. Just one more. Like back to the just to the 50s
good.
real quick. Come on, just drop it to the 50s.
Not looking good.
They higher low it off in the 50s. I'll flip it long after I close out this short. There we go. All right, we're up 40 points here. Come on, get into the 50s. There it is. Oh, Phil. Damn. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As soon as it fell right there, it just accelerated because that's the.
There we go.
We're gonna test that NFP again. Tempest AI. Ray Blanco. New long idea.
Previous day low again on SPY.
$43 minutes until kickoff. That's all I know. We got France and Senegal. Dude, the game tonight is so late.
I got one left. We dropped down back to the 20s. Near a low of day. Cover it. SPY has a gamma wall at 753. QQQ had one at 735. The 735 lined up perfectly with that backtest of the 500 cycle on NQ. That was the reason why I went short.
Dude, the Valdi Q has been so weird today.
Yeah, I stopped looking at it just because it was, I don't know what it was doing.
Yeah.
My Vol D broke this morning, and then Vol D Q was just going berserk.
Look at this. This is 1 minute. It's just, what is this? Google's still decently strong. Microsoft's actually trying to push off the lows. So is Amazon. So is Meta.
If I wasn't in this short, that would be again be the spot where I'd be looking to go long.
I want a long. I just don't have enough confluence. You know what I mean? Like, I just, like, what are you long with? Well, that's the way I have it, Data J. I have UVol and DVol. UVol minus DVol. The problem is the UVol Q minus DVol Q has been, I mean, it doesn't, it's like it's not reading properly or something.
Google's still looking good.
Tell you what's not looking good in QNES. A lot of times those NFPs start acting like magnets. QQQ may just suck us right back into it. White House is tweeting about Scott's Miracle Grow. We gotta go long SMG. I've never even. What's the daily on SMG?
Submachine gun.
Submachine gun Kelly. God, they want me to buy this NQ so bad. I don't know. There's just nothing that I can do here.
I just saw another post about SMG.
Was it mine?
Let me see who posted
Oh,
it.
I know. There's another guy doing it too.
Yeah, T Lamb posted a.
That was Taylor.
He doesn't live too
Awesome.
far from me either.
Boston bars are reportedly running out of beer as Scottish World Cup fans drink the city dry. We tripled St. Patrick's Day. I don't know. Everything about the 5-minute chart still looks like a short. Hourly was gonna make a nice close, and then it just pulled back at the 4th hour or whatever they say. 34 minutes until kickoff. That's all I care about. Tempest AI had a Ray Blanco long pick.
I am all out. I have no position, by the way. Just gonna sit.
Should I go long then?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think we'll get a long pump at the end of the day. I think anybody that was short may cover some of that up. I don't know. I don't know how many people want to put new longs on today into tomorrow.
I just did.
So I know one person that wants to put longs on today into tomorrow. I want to long this so bad. I think this is about to run 100 points higher.
Was that APP?
At least go back to like 546 if you can't go back to yesterday's low. How far was IB low? That was pretty far, I think. Oh yeah, it's way up there.
Oh yeah, APP catching a curl right there, son. No, it filled the daily gap today. It was looking decent.
KC, are you still long SoFi? Sophie.
Like shares?
I don't know, but SoFi, right? This box that I have drawn from forever ago. Look how many touches
Not
this
on
does in the
options.
daily. I don't like SoFi personally. It's too much of the Colts meme retail stench on it.
Yeah.
But it's not a bad looking risk reward spot. 16 down to 15. Play it back up to 20. Maybe you get some, you get through 18. And you get a nice run to like 20-ish, and then runners could actually go from there if banks and stuff kick up. I mean, they do a lot of lending, I think, so they just need they're probably just rate sensitive.
And back to entry. How much time's left? 60 seconds. We'll see. Or should that just be like the reshort spot that we got a little bit of profit from the other trade, but come on. Higher, low it, and close above this spot. You know you want to. Hour and a half left in the day. Got a little bit more in you, I think. Still in this 5-minute squeeze. It's a weird looking 15-minute candlestick setup right now on Qs.
I know, right? They're really weird.
Yeah.
It's like I tried to go like to the other ones just to see if it looked any better.
Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they closed underneath of it. Next candle better instantly shoot up.
Nokia.
Nokia. No.
Major expansion in PA.
Nah. We can't get over it. I probably should have stayed in the original short. Yeah. All right, I'm going to close that one there for like minus 12 points. We can break and base above that. I'll try the long again.
This
Other than
looks
that, good short.
it looks short still.
No.
Couldn't hold the EMAs, couldn't flip the EMAs, couldn't even get to the outer VWAP band. That's why I keep thinking like we're at least pop back up to that. Really, it's just going sideways.
Short
SPX is
full
like
at 502.
between two levels I have.
I went long 2 to keep that one smaller, just in case we just stayed underneath the 21. Got a little bit of gains back, but we want some more. We want some more. APP is still going. Almost looks like it's news related. That thing's just, I mean, it got smacked this morning. Now it's just trying to work its way back up, but those 5-minute candles are ripping.
Nokia, it's major semiconductor expansion in the US and Pennsylvania. I think we're about to go find those lows, at least those 20s again on ZNQ. At least I stayed out of trouble this afternoon.
Oh. Someone mentioned this name yesterday. Oh, did you already pull up FRMI?
No.
Oh yeah, pull that. I mean, we're a little late to the party now. Go pull that thing up on the 5-minute
Oh,
chart.
wait. We looked at this yesterday.
Yeah, but look at it right now on the 5-minute intraday.
Oh, look at the volume coming in. So like that's what we noticed though, like on the daily. You see these like massive volume sticks down here?
So
Look at
$10 calls for January 15, 2027 are getting hit heavy right now. 2.65 million at the ask. Came in about 25 minutes ago. I saw that we're a little late to the party, but
We talked about this, like I was like, I don't hate it, I didn't just like love it, but if there was a reason for it, that's one thing. And then like the argument that was presented, somebody was saying there's like looks like a lot of accumulation, and like these big volume green bars kind of give me that vibe that somebody's really accumulating, and it's a huge point of control down here now. NQ about to take a little dive, huh?
it was funny. I printed a buy signal at 2 o'clock. What a fucking ripper. Oh my goodness.
They're tempting me to just buy this damn NFP level again.
Well, they bought him at 220 to 230.
Sadio Mane.
They're at 265 right now, 270 on the ask.
There's the NFP. If you're gonna long, it's here, right? I don't know. It doesn't feel good. Watch 100-point bounce right here.
Oh, dude, I'm thinking about it. a 15-minute squeeze. I mean, that could just be a bear flag.
If I invert this chart, I'm not. There's no way I would be shorting it. So
Yeah. I mean, the RR to short here is not there.
no, I'm saying if I inverted it, I wouldn't be trying to short this because it'd look like a bull flag breaking out, trying
Yeah.
to break out.
Your 10 and 15-minute can be a bear flag. We're just the same previous day low spot on SPY.
It's just
Yes.
it's basically the opposite of yesterday. It's just trendy, just like yesterday was trendy. There was never a real short other than scalps. Today's just like the opposite. There hasn't been a real long today other than scalps.
The best long today was the initial test of previous day low on
Yeah, that's
SPY.
what. So that lined up with the QQQ's NFP. Something
At
else.
like
There was something else.
11:45. That was like
Oh,
that was it.
ES was at the 0.5 extension of the IB. It was also 7600 even number, like psychological number. QQQ was at the one full extension basically. I bet that was a long right there again. I don't know. We're within 20 minutes of World Cup. It's tough for me to want to do much here unless we get some wild price action or catalyst.
Look at the volume increasing right now on SPY and Q's 5-minute.
Oh, did I tell you guys I bought SPCQ? 924 a share is my cost basis.
Is that the short?
Yes.
Nice.
Call it the inverse 7.
Let me go pull that up. Wait, which one?
I just put it on the bottom of the screen. SPCQ.
Q. What's it at? $10.
Yep, I bought it. 924 is my average. I'm up 8% already.
Yeah.
God, if they close this 15-minute candle green, I'm gonna be pissed.
Look at that QQQ volume. That's
I know. You want to hold it there. SPY's trying to hold the same spot. But it's just right back into the same downtrending EMAs. Like that's what's keeping me out of the trade. Is there's just lower highs, downtrending EMAs. And eventually this runs out of room and breaks one way or the other, but that may not happen till tonight. Is the volume data accurate in TradingView? I believe it is on most in most cases. I usually only look at it like on a daily basis. Weeble's kind of, I think it like factors in big order somehow. Like, I don't know if it's dark pool or what.
all right. I just bought 500 shares at $10.
Yeah. Oh no, I got a double lip pillow. I've got soccer ready to go. I'm up nicely on the day. Honestly, it's been a good day.
Add some more overtime.
I wouldn't be surprised if they want to close QQQ right on that level down there. I hope not, but gosh, there's still an hour and 20 minutes. Rizzo's drinking a Manhattan. I also don't like that the book map still has nothing above us. Like nothing to go target.
Oh no, I kind of want a long game.
Oh, we're about to get our first look at France
Francais.
and Senegal, which is a former French colony. Senegal actually has decent talent, I think. Somebody say oil?
Oil. They're trying to bait me.
Where is this game? New Jersey MetLife. Frank, are you here?
I'm here.
Are you doing anything?
I am long 12 contracts.
That's what I was thinking.
I am long at 44.
Should have been long at 24.
Yeah, me too.
Second question. How far is MetLife from your house?
From my place here, it's 45 minutes, 50
Oh,
minutes.
that's not bad.
It's right by Newark Airport.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I've been, but only I went from Manhattan across the bridge or whatever to Newark. Is the only spot I saw over there. But at least I know kind of where it is. I've seen a map. I mean, I've seen where your place or your area is. SMWB, similar web, some microcap company. They're in a blog post by Amazon.
Microsoft got a nice curl.
God, it was such a Rizzo move. He posted a picture. He's drinking cognac with cherry liqueur. What a guy. Come on, can we pop out of this? Pop out of this. The problem is if it pops from here, I don't even want to long it because it's just straight into lower highs again. I'd almost rather them just crush it.
I'm at 21 smack on SPY.
I got stopped out.
Yeah, I heard it. It just didn't. Oh, yeah, I saw a funny video yesterday. There's some soccer fans in Kansas City, and they were like outside of where England's training, and like they were like camp or whatever, and they went to get autographs from him. And one guy took like a bunch of copies of the Declaration of Independence, and he was putting it in front of them to get their autographs. So like half of the British soccer team signed the Declaration of Independence. It was so funny. That's my kind of troll right there. I have zero interest in Snapchat, Izzy. Zero. I mean, what's less than zero? -1 interest in Snapchat. There's no chance I'm buying a dead company. I've been saying for 3 years, Snapchat is AOL. It's MSM Messenger, Windows Messenger back in the day. It is dead. It's been replaced. There's way better options. It's a poorly managed company. They throw way too much money at creators to try to get them on there, and they can't make any money. Now, sure, they're trying to launch. Look, if I had to place bets on who's going to make AI glasses and do well at it, it's not going to be Snapchat. It's going to be Google or Meta or Apple or maybe Samsung. It's not going to be Snapchat. Would I rather go along Snapchat or MSTR? That might be the question of the day. I would rather stick a toothpick. No, I'd put a toothpick under my toenail and kick this door before I longed either one of those stocks. There's no chance. And that's not a shot at you at all, Izzy. That's just I passionately have a thesis against Snapchat, and it's been very accurate for quite some time. Now, is there like book value or something down here somewhere? Sure, here's your monthly chart. And you made new all-time lows, what, a few weeks ago? That looks gross. I saw somebody say PLTR on the weekly chart. Looks bad to me.
Oh yeah.
I've been waiting on PLTR to go down for a while. I want it under that 125. Really, I want it. Ooh, Mbappe.
Mbappe.
I'd like Palantir back under 100. I'd think about it. I mean, the fact, like here on this daily Palantir, this was perfect. I mean, it broke a downtrend, shot up into a 200 day that was sloping downward and got absolutely shit stomped. This is what I call shit stomped. You ever stepped in dog shit and then started like stomping your foot on the curb to try to get it to come off the bottom of your shoe? That's what happened to Palantir. His name is Gurkavin. Yeah, there's nothing here that convinces you this downtrend's going to break this afternoon. I almost wouldn't be surprised to see it fall apart and then come back to here at the end of the day.
SPX is at 90. Yay.
Yeah, internals still fairly weak. I mean, who knows what the internals are on on NASDAQ? They actually look like they may be stronger. Yeah.
Oh, now SPY looks like it wants to go make a new low day.
Yeah. I think Senegal can give France a decent game here, but I don't know how it's going to play out. So let me get a live bet on.
SPY is in the gap fill. Oh, regular trading hours? Yeah, probably. Well, technically, SPY would have to make a new low day to enter back into the gap fill, but yep. Where is half gap on that thing? We'll draw this out. From there to
On
about
which one?
there. Half gap's around 747 on SPY.
And that's where the 20 day is going to be too, right in that same area.
So I'm going to go ahead and put a line on my chart there. Just
It's also Tuesday's high.
later on.
I want to long this thing into the close so bad. Like as an American, we can't support France. Oop. Here she goes. Are they gonna break it? Or do you
Freeze
just
day
long
load
it
test
right
on
here?
more BL.
How many times can they test this without breaking?
Joining SpaceX? Yeah, I mean, yeah, why not? Imp told me to, so.
I'm gonna try the long. Fuck it. I got enough profit today. I'm just trying the long here, risking the list.
I might join you. Fix doing nothing. I mean, it's popping on 5 minute, but oh yeah. Whatever happened to Roblox after that flow earlier in that pop? Oh my god. What? Gosh dang it. Freaking Roblox, where are those calls at now? Oh. It's in the daily gap fill. Ah, they're only at 170. Spy about making new lows. IWM kind of leading the way down right now in this 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not even watching the rest of the charts. I'm
Q's is
only
still
long
holding
against
up.
this right here.
No, Q's is still holding up. Look, its 5 minute candle just went back green. Oh, we got an echo. Echo.
Is that me?
Yeah. Is my mic coming through that heavy? I can turn down my. Ryan, can you ask KC what percent of his trades are options to common stock? I think he has multiple portfolios for that.
Yeah. I trade like 6 different accounts. Air Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Bruh, I'm already up $110 on my SpaceX short. Let's go.
Ooh, you're gonna make me trim.
Yeah, I'll say like M and Q looking like she wants to hold it together. Oh, she getting a little bit more follow through here. You gonna hit the 21 here in a second.
All right,
There
I'm
it
taking a
is.
trim right there at the 21.
Nice. Look at that. Little undercut on SPY, and they're gonna whip it back up. Q's still pushing. Ah!
Back to
I'm
like
gonna
five-
get that lower day entry.
Be the second time today.
What's your fill? Like 430?
429.
Nice.
9.2 is my average.
Oh, damn. I was close right there. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Two to the three to the four. Oh, now I'm up $150, $160. Damn, I just got lunch for the week. But I'm down $1,000 on MRVL, so not really. I'm still eating ramen. Oh my good lord. Their trend line, their own cues.
Look at the difference. Like ES and SPY are like right back down, and Q's actually bounced. New low of day on, is that SPY new low of day?
Yes.
Yup, she's getting smoked.
We still got an hour left, and they just want to make new lows. This is major divergence SMT though. Oh, Mbappe is the most like uncoordinated, athletically coordinated person I've ever seen in my life. Oh, whoa. Easy, Robo.
I don't know. I like the long.
I'm in it. I'm in the long.
I feel like if I buy it right here, though, I'm just going to get sent straight back down and be pissed.
Well, that was an absolute snipe, though.
Yeah. Q's looking good.
Sometimes I close my eyes and pretend I'm in my old Xbox party. Dude, I miss those days. Like, I wonder how Some of those guys are doing. I spent so many hours. I know Casey was probably the same with like the clans and stuff back on Call of Duty. You spent
Fucking
so
in
many
it.
hours with these guys all across the country.
Oh yeah.
My next trim is going to be at the outer VWAP band, 510, 512, wherever that is. I'm just going to put it at 510. Coinbase has got an event going on. Options products are launching on their platform.
Ooh, Coinbase event. What?
Pre-IPO as well. That NFP magnet just turned on right now.
Trying to bid up the semis. Yeah, SPY can't get out of its own way right now.
Oh, they're letting them play rough. I like it.
This is
Tokenized
looking
stock trading as well.
ugly.
Right, back to my entry, huh? They probably do wipe this low out now.
That was at. Let me see. At 500 and something. That was at 157.
Here comes my flush out.
Oh, SpaceX. Oh. No shit. Now I'm up 10%. Oh.
Oh, I'm up 18% on this.
Yeah. I'm up $500 because I put $5,000 into it.
You're welcome.
Let's go, imp.
Are we really gonna make a new low of day here?
It looks like it.
Looks like it, doesn't it? There's my stop. And it'll bounce right on my stop.
Oh, hell yeah.
There's a bunch of orders right here at 75. They're trying to hold it right here at 400.
Spot looks like it wants 750. Big volume buying cues right here.
Mbappe. Oh, what the fuck did I just fill? Uh-oh.
Did you have orders long down there?
Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
You just heard the order filled.
I had an order at 77 at this
There you
pivot
go.
point. Uh-oh. Oh, no. That's no way, no. This thing looks like it could fall 100 points. Hey, where the hell does ZS stop now? That's the problem. SPX is going to go into the gap. Gross.
Dude, send SpaceX back down to like 150. Holy shit, that would be funny. Gnarly candle on SPY.
Yeah. Hopefully this thing can bounce me back to break even here.
You're overextended on the SPY 5 minute, not on the Qs yet. IWM is. You might catch a little bounce here.
There's nothing on the book map until 300. Always clear your dom. Dadgummit. Oh, I'm sorry. Is Frank's here, isn't he?
Shows
I'm
him
back.
there.
Watch, now it's going to bounce back to where I have my entry, and I'm going to be like, oh, maybe I just hold it back to 400. I'm in a long that I don't want to be in. Yeah, I've got the wrist set, but
You're green now. Close it. That's the most volume on SPY since the opening candle. Oh, you're in at 995. Nice work.
I feel like I should get out.
SPY's getting that wick right now on the overextension.
I'm long 3 contracts. I just start trimming here. And it was such a long bottom wick. Like,
Fuck it. I mean,
420s.
Yeah, like fuck it. Like trim
I'll
one
trim
or
one
two.
right here. Trim one here.
Yeah. Like look at that. Look at that. I mean, shit, you can move a stop to entry now, and if that was low of day and it just goes higher into the close, just don't fucking trim it. Just let it keep going. That's a hell of a wick.
I mean, what did I say? I said it probably washes out and comes right back to here.
That might be like one of the luckiest freaking by accident order fills I've seen in a while.
I had an order there on purpose.
Yeah. Just forgot about it. And you're like, oh shit, I forget. Look at this, dude. Nice fucking entry. Oh, that's awesome. We're back to 425. How he accidentally catch 50 points?
50 points.
Oh, hell yeah.
Right there. Right back to where I thought it would.
Look, I just leave the one like for free.
Just leaving the one for free, yeah.
Yeah. Stop at entry and this thing runs back to like, I don't fucking know, like 550, 600 by end of day.
So I had resting orders earlier that I left at 77 and 47, or just in front of that level.
They close this candle in 3 minutes over top of your 5 minute 9 or 21. You're going to have a long bottom wick Morningstar reversal right there. That'll be interesting. My SPX has to be 100. Yeah, it is. There we go. SPX is 100%. Full position. There we go.
I'll just text you. What? I put those orders there like 4 hours ago. I forgot all about it.
Let me go send this update.
don't care that we're downtrending and make money on longs just off of my levels in a bull market. Can I get 100 points?
Dude, this is about to close a Morningstar reversal off that.
With still 30 minutes left.
Eight seconds so far the buy signal. Unless they slam it right before it closes. 2, 1. There's a buy signal. Oh shit! Is that low of day?
I'm pretty confident that's low of day. I just don't know if we're gonna go higher.
I think you might have hit low of day. I think that's it. I don't think they'll take that out in the last 35 minutes. It's looking good. Roblox still going new highs. Roblox new high of day, going for $50.
What do we think about SpaceX? I'm currently short SpaceX via SPCQ. Oh, is that still working out? Yeah, we're doing okay.
It just hit like 200, I think.
Like, there's no way it should have gone where it went today. It passed Microsoft. It almost hit 3 trillion valuation. There's just no chance.
3 trillion is ridiculous, dude.
Oh, he hit the post. It hit the back of the keeper and just went out. Am I bullish on SpaceX like long term? Like, sure, but from right here, no. I think I'm going to be able to get it at a much better price.
Yeah.
And if I can't, I'll buy it on a consolidation on a better technical setup. I mean, even with the lock period, like, yes, it can try to squeeze things higher to where there's like just nobody's really selling and there's a lot of demand from it. So basically more demand than supply. It just pushes it a little bit high, like pushes it higher, but at a certain point, it gets like unrealistic to be buying it. $18 billion in revenue, and they're trading almost at a 3 trillion valuation at the high today. I think most of it's just on paper right now. Now, look, if you buy it here and you wait 3 years, 5 years, like, I think you'll be fine. Not financial advice, but I think you'll be fine. This is the best looking 15-minute candle reaction we've gotten all day. The only thing I'm worried about is if this just becomes a magnet on QQQ right here. SPY basically hit 750 at the low. These hydration breaks are just driving me insane. In 5 years, do you think it'll reach 2,000? No. So that's the other thing. Like,
What?
if I'm buying it right here at a 3, or let's say what, 2.5 trillion valuation. Here, let me just refresh this and take a look and see. So it's at a 2.7 trillion valuation right now. Do I think it's worth 5 trillion in 5 years? Probably. Probably doubles. I don't think it's gonna 10x. If it, I mean, so for it to trade 2,000 a share, it would have to basically 10x from right here, which would make it worth what? 20 something trillion.
What, 26?
Yeah, I mean that could be. I mean, I'm not
$27
saying it's not
trillion.
possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but I just don't know how, because of how high it started. I just don't know if it can, can it double from here? Yes. I mean, if it goes to 10 trillion, Elon gets paid like another, what, insane amount of money that no one can comprehend. These hydration breaks, they're so stupid though. I mean, what's the weather like in New Jersey at your house? 80, 70s?
75, 80.
Like I guess, I guess it's 80 degrees and it's what, 3:30 in the afternoon. It's probably pretty hot. I get that one. They were playing in a domed Cowboy Stadium and a domed NRG Stadium, taking hydration breaks. That's what you're playing an air-conditioned dome, and they were taking hydration breaks. It just makes no sense to me. It was 72 degrees, beautiful night in Guadalajara the other night, nighttime, and they're taking hydration breaks just so they can sell these commercials.
They need a break from all that flopping they do.
Yeah, no, it's almost as bad as the NBA. The MVP of the NBA flops more than any single player in the World Cup.
That's for sure.
And he's Canadian, so it's even worse. So SolarWinds, AI and Starlink can make it go to 10 trillion. Okay. I'm not saying it can't go there. I'm saying, is it going to go there in the next 3 to 5 years? I know. I just feel like it's still early. I think Starlink's a great business. The robots, where are the robots? Where's the Optimus robot? Where's that guy? I'm not saying it's not possible, but like just based on what we know and have right now, I'm not like bearish on it long term at all. I think it's just ahead of its skis right here. And it'll probably come back up. It'll be volatile. It's a trading. It's for the first 6 months of SpaceX, it's probably just trade it. And then after the 6-month lockout, people taking profits, then you find out, from there what to do. Almost every IPO comes back to the IPO price at some point.
I'll buy it under 70.
Yeah, I even was. What did I say? I think that's where I was looking at it yesterday. I was like, I'll buy it at a $1 trillion valuation. I would definitely buy it. I'm not even like some fundamental like guru or anything, but it's just where it makes the most sense to me.
Trend line rejection again.
Like when I buy stuff for long term, I buy stuff for long term on like big market dips, tariff dip. I was purchasing August 4th and August 7th. I mean, I'm sorry, April 4th and April 7th. Which was that Sunday and the Monday is when we bought them. Like, I don't have like negative sentiment or feelings toward Elon. I'm not like betting against him or anything. I'm just taking it straight. There's something wrong with my mic? Is there something wrong with my mic, Casey?
No, you're good. I hear you loud and clear.
Oh, are you guys caught up to live? Does Evan know anything? Evan does know a little bit about soccer, but Evan doesn't really. Evan gets caught up in hype. Evan's actually decently skilled, by the way. He has like sneaky athleticism. Does not look athletic. All right, I just stopped out. All right, I'm back flat there. Yeah. When I saw yes rejecting right here, I should have just exited. Previous day's low back test. No, Evan, like Evan's a hype guy. He gets sucked into the hype of stuff. He does. He watches sports. He knows a decent amount about sports in general, but he's a lot more casual. I get pretty deep into the sports world, but I see, guys, I don't watch Netflix shows really. I don't watch movies ever. The only thing I ever watch outside of charts is sports. All this is nobody really wants to be, to go long into tomorrow after 3% gap up yesterday. I didn't know how much we'd pull back today. We're basically at half back, I think. I was measuring this out earlier. Yeah, we didn't even quite get to... Is France at 52 cents worth it? I don't know. I don't do the prediction market stuff as much. I don't like the, because if they tie, then what? Dude, I nailed Iran yesterday. I bet on tie at like plus 160 or something like that. And then whenever New Zealand scored the second goal, I added at like plus 220. Both of those crushed. I nailed the Uruguay tie here live. Trend day trying to close at the lows.
Oh shit! SpaceX broke 200. SpaceX new low day. Oh.
Yes, sir.
How much did Ent make me so far? Ent made me $700 so far.
Yeah, my PayPal is at Emperador Maximiliano.
If he keeps this up, I might just have to give him a big old kiss right on the mouth.
Oh, you don't. You're gonna make me turn red. You know I blush easy. My complexion.
Here, let me tag you in the Discord. King faces. What am I trimming when it gets back down to where it IPO'd at? I mean, do whatever you want. I mean, shit.
So there's, speaking of IPOs, there's a post on the Autopilot account at Join Autopilot. All of these companies closed the first year red after IPOing their first year. Every single one of these. Palantir, Airbnb, ARM Holdings, Snowflake, Spotify, Twitter.
Oh wait, ARM.
Yeah,
ARM was only red. Oh well, I guess by the end of the year.
Yeah,
So ARM went
close.
public like in September, and it was
First
like
close of
red
the
for 2
year.
months.
Yeah, after first close.
So not after
Spotify.
1 year,
Yeah,
but just whenever the end of that calendar year was. It's a cherry pick stat. But okay, sorry, continue.
I mean, data's data. Spotify, Twitter, Dropbox, Maple Bear, which is Instacart, Alibaba, DoorDash, Roblox, Lucid, Snapchat, Facebook, Coinbase, Pinterest, Uber, Coupang, UiPath, SoFi, Bumble, Lyft, Rivian, Robinhood, Figma, Didi. I don't think SpaceX is going to be any different. Just saying it here. Just saying it.
Send it down.
Why would it be any different?
If it goes back to IPO price, what percentage am I going to be up on these SPCQs?
It's a good
I
question.
don't know. I'm up 23.6.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you shorted it, didn't you, Em? Or I mean, you went long.
I have SPCQ at 9.24 a share. It's currently trading at 11.45.
Nice.
Yeah, and 40 minutes ago when he told me that, I said, fuck it. I'm going to buy $5,000 worth of it right now. And now I'm up 14%. I'm up $700. This is dumb. Yeah. Let's see if it goes.
Like I looked at it this morning. I said, this thing's, it just passed, it briefly crossed bigger than Microsoft in market cap. It was right at almost 3 trillion valuation.
Oh.
I was like, what? That just doesn't make any
And
sense.
if it goes back to IPO price, you'll be up 100%. It's $19.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's where I'm trimming. And then I'll take my next trim at 70. Got MOC in 3 minutes. You think they're going to cut rates tomorrow?
No.
No, it's like literally 100% chance on poly market bets that there's no change as of now. I don't think that's the sentiment at all.
$99.6% chance.
Yeah.
There's not a rate cut priced in anywhere in the next 18 months. There's actually rate hikes priced in. No rate cut is neutral to bullish. The reason is because that doesn't surprise the market. Boy, they were really trying to crush this thing into the close.
Oh, we are about to close. They flew by.
55 seconds.
MOC.
Here we go.
Poppy, poppy, poppy.
What do they want to do here?
Where do they want to close? What do we talk about? QQQ. Where do they want to close this? Microsoft walked away from Oracle.
Microsoft
Walked away from an Oracle deal. Oracle getting smoked.
Oracle getting smacked on it. Oh yeah. Downside volume candle on it.
That's going to scare the data center stocks as a whole, probably.
Mm-hmm. IWM new low of day. Ooh, big MOC.
Yeah, another big one. 2.2 billion to the buy side.
Yeah, 2.2 billion on S&P, 1.36 billion on the Nasdaq, 576 million on the Dow, 384 million on the Max 7. Dude, we should have swung some SpaceX puts too.
God, they're so expensive though.
True.
Yeah, those contracts are criminal.
I took one this morning. Made a little bit on it, but the daily just flipped red. That candlestick on SpaceX. Dude, let's swing it.
Oracle news is just now hitting the news wires.
How expensive are they? From 2 o'clock.
Oh no! How? How do you miss that?
What?
Dude, he was wide open on the 6-yard box. He missed the goal.
On France?
Senegal.
Uh,
Dude, there's no way I'm cheering for France.
Any mags getting decent candles into the close? Not really. Dude, NVIDIA hasn't moved all day since the open. An entire session did nothing. I think EMP should swing these 150 puts for July 17 on SpaceX. For only $580 a piece.
I think you're crazier than a 4-eyed frog.
Ribbit. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Ooh, AMD. Downside candle, minus 7% now.
I'm up 25. No, just updated 22%. What do you want to bet this
Meta?
bounces this last 5 minutes?
Oh, Meta! I was like, somebody has to do something fun into the close on the mags. Man, I got a little stick.
You know, me and Jack Daniels got a history.
Yeah. Any flow coming into the close on anything?
Ooh, new lows.
Yeah, IWM's getting smoked right now into the close.
No buyers in sight.
Q's
And
new
Q
low,
wants-
SPY no new low.
Wants that 300, 310 area. It was not the low day.
No, it was not. That's the highest volume on IWM now since the open. That's the highest volume of the day on QQQ. This candle. Same for SPY. SPY not really selling as hard.
After hours, what after hours news are you going to get that does a reversal?
Something random from Trump.
There's nothing left.
Yeah, Meta going back to previous day high. Nothing else. Oh, in the video, new low of day. Oh, SPY gonna do it. 30 seconds.
Oh, oh. This thing hits 280. I'll try along.
There it is.
Maybe
SPY,
right.
new low.
It might be right here, actually. 280, 280.
Ooh, IWM volume right there. Oh, big IWM volume.
There's that bell.
Ding, 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 ding. That's such a long bell.
Maybe you're gonna get
Except
to
the
hear it
bell
in person.
doesn't excuse you. We do.
What?
I hated when teachers said that shit in school.
I know. I was like, yeah, I'm out. No worries.
Are they gonna bounce it right here? I was hoping to see 280. Downtrend closed on the lows. Yesterday, uptrend. I have no idea what tomorrow morning's gonna look like.
I mean, might not do much until FOMC. Oh. Well,
Oh, we are. Maybe we do get
SPX
280.
expired for full profit. Didn't have to close anything on that one.
What do we even do?
Yeah, I hope for like Wacky Wednesday he just wears some kind of crazy ties.
So I'm telling you, if he has a bolo tie on, I will fall for it. There's no way that's
We
not
freaking
Welsh.
awesome.
No way that guy has ever seen a bolo tie in his life. He's too like proper society. Somebody tweeted last night. They said this Iranian side will look different with 300 billion to spend on the roster next year. That's a well played tweet.
Holy shit, Bishop. Oh. I do like the core weave call swing though.
I'll be watching for dips tomorrow into the daily moving averages. Possibly that gap fill on SPX. Did anything have a good day today?
Oh yeah, we gotta find
Apple?
some.
Google looks decent. I mean, the 20-day, but still it looks decent. Meta rejected at the exact spot, of course. Broadcom looks
Oh,
bad.
dude, there is so many gifts for Kevin. Oh,
Kevin!
dude, I got one of freaking The Office. I'm going, damn it, Kevin.
Nice.
You got, what was that? The Minion from Despicable Me. Kevin. SpongeBob.
Maybe 300 was just the buy right there.
Oh yeah, they got freaking Wars right there with the money printer. That's pretty good. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Industrials look good. Caterpillar made a new all-time high today. So did GE. Some of these banks look decent. Look at JP Morgan.
Yeah, XLF had a weekly bull flag breakout, and then JP Morgan had a daily trend line. USB and BAC, all of those had daily breakouts as well. Those things freaking absolutely ripped. I think the Goldman Sachs making an all-time high today. I said they were going to
double
earlier
topped
this morning.
right. Like, well, it was short by like $1 or less.
I was like, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and JPM, new all-time highs. It will be today. And it got closed.
Did we get him?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Himself? Oh, there he is.
Sorry about that. I have my camera on, but I'm getting some work done in my room, so it's kind of a mess right now.
Oh, you're good.
I'm headed out for the day, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow morning for FOMC day.
Great day,
Y'all have a
Casey.
great rest of your evening. I'll see you
trading
later.
in the morning? Are you going to be on
Yeah.
Twitter? All right.
Yeah, I'll be here. Absolutely. I'll see you guys in the morning on Spaces.
All right. Sounds good.
You good, man?
Later.
Later.
Yeah, F1C tomorrow. What do we think about F1C, Trevor?
Trevor, we short SpaceX?
You know, it's a great start to the conversation.
We Hit you with the two big topics, huh?
Yeah. I mean, I was actually talking with someone about this today. It's got a ton of hype. I don't like ever trading or buying like an IPO at launch, but I just don't see it running from. I could be totally wrong, but how much more can it run out the gate is sort of how I view it.
Well, that's like, I mean, that's my kind of thought process. And I'm like, it doesn't like, and it doesn't have to make sense. Like I get that point too, but 3 trillion valuation, bigger than Microsoft. Like, come on, like that it is all hype at that point because there's nothing that can really back that. So
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just like, and I'm not bearish SpaceX. Like I know, like maybe it comes across that way. I'm not bearish SpaceX at all. I would mind owning it at a even. I don't even know if I say reasonable, like just a semi-reasonable pullback price. I wouldn't mind starting to buy it, but
Well, I think it's a great stock. Like, I mean, they just purchased Cursor. They're going to purchase and try to corner as much of the AI space as possible.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's essentially the two most hyped industries: space technology and AI technology. It's across the board. Everything about this is great. It's just I don't like buying IPO. I feel like every time you see that, like an IPO comes out, it runs a little bit, a month or two goes by, and it pulls that tank and then recovery. That's just where my head's at with it. But again, I think long term, it's a great play.
yeah, I mean, it's something I want to own long term, and like it's weird because you think about it right now, and it's like, okay, every single space, AI, robotics, defense ETF is going to, have some of this in there and want to, start buying it. Obviously, it's fast tracking its way into indices or whatever, like NASDAQ or whatever, I guess. And just the hype around it overall. People, the problem with hype though is it overinflates things, and then that hot air gets let out.
Yeah.
And then weak hands, start to fold.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of like, it sounds cliche, but I feel like that's just always the IPO playbook. You know, it runs, people fold, it tanks, and then it recovers and then some.
Yeah. You'd think people would learn their lesson, but I guess there's enough people out there that are just like, oh, this company's public, I want to buy it. And then they look at it 3 months later and they're like, damn, I'm way down on this thing.
I mean, hey, out the gate, it's up what total? 40%, 35%, something like that.
And that's without pulling back. And I just read off a list of tickers that, like, at least within the first year of them IPOing, they at least pull back into the red.
Yeah.
Pretty decently, if not close that year red.
It's up 50% from the issuance price, the 135. So yeah, you're up 50% from there, from where it actually, well, let's see, what did it actually opened at 150, I believe. You're up 34% from where it went on the market Friday.
Yeah. I mean, it's still solid if you bought it out the gate. That's a solid return. But I agree with every IPO. They run, and then they usually end red, and then you get a nice recovery. That's just how I...
Options just came out too today on SPCX. They're wild. They are so expensive.
Yeah.
Really juicy.
They're super expensive. And then I noticed this actually, I think it was yesterday or last Friday, where, because I mean, we're looking at options data all day, but the spread on SPY, not SPX, but SPY, even at the money in the money contracts, has been nuts. The past, I think it was since Friday, I've noticed it. Because SPX usually has like a 1 cent, 2 cent spread, but there were a few SPY ones that we were picking up where there's like a 40-cent spread at the money.
Yeah, probably just with all the craziness ahead, you know, we had SpaceX, and now we got Warsh's first meeting tomorrow, even though, I mean, it's pretty expected that there's going to be no change, but I feel like people think it's a big deal because it's his first meeting. So
Yeah. What are you guys expecting on that? You're expecting no change across the board?
yeah,
With what, FOMC?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think there's any chance of a rate change tomorrow. There's no rate cuts priced in for the next 18 months for the foreseeable future. But there's no hikes really priced in until like early next year, just currently. He's coming in the first meeting. What I'm more interested in, I think the market doesn't like uncertainty, so you could get, a lot of volatility just around, people hanging on every word and phrase that he says. So I think that can create some volatility there. And does he give us any type of like little nugget foreshadowing at all, or does he say anything that people maybe even take? He may not even mean it that way, but people may take it that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then the other thing is like people are really thinking a lot about rates, but I think the balance sheet thing is probably the bigger question around him, because notoriously he was against having a big balance sheet when he was a Fed governor or whatever back in the day, or chairman, or not chair member, but the what do you call it? They have Fed governors and they have like voting members. And when he was on a voting member or whatever before, he was notoriously kind of against balance sheet stuff. So depending how he handles that and how the market takes that's what I'll be watching for. I'll also be just leaning on people way smarter than me. I'm much more on the trading side than the macro or fundamental side of anything, but thankfully I have smart friends.
Yeah, I'm kind of the same way. To be honest with you, I have like very minimal macro knowledge outside of like the guessing game of it. Yeah, no, I feel like it just feels like there's a lot of like items coming up. You got SpaceX, you got FOMC, you have all these things going on in the market.
To be honest, I've been watching more World Cup than anything lately. So
that was more exciting than the charts today for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, well, Chart, what's been? Where you go ahead? Go ahead.
No, I was just curious if SpaceX is available to trade yet on Vanquish. I know it's early, but
yeah,
if not, when are you guys looking to add it?
I know it's included in our data feeds, but I think the options quotes update for us either tonight or tomorrow for users to trade on.
So you'll get them fast though. You'll get them tonight.
I believe it's tonight. Yeah.
Nice.
I was like just chatting with them about that, seeing when it'll be plugged in.
Super.
So,
cool.
Yeah, that'll be cool. But God, I feel like the spreads on all of those, whether you market in, limit in, or anything, it's just you're instantly going to eat something.
Yeah.
So.
I was actually impressed. The spreads weren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. Whenever I looked this morning, or it was probably around 10:30, 11 a.m. market time. But there are crazy expensive. You got to think of how much volatility is in this name.
Yeah. Well, now that options are a part of it, just allows more hedging to take place, which allows for more volatility.
Yep.
So you had a 13.5% range on SPX or on SPACEX on a $2.5 trillion company.
Yeah. Yeah. It's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, yeah, this morning it ran up 11%. It's going to be the most traded, but people are just going to go straight over to this and gamble on it.
It's wild. They love to do that.
Yeah.
Any other updates with Vanquish recently?
We're running our flash sale right now for the Knicks winning. So it's 53% off. Yep. They haven't won in 53 years, so 53% off everything until tomorrow at midnight. You can use code WOLF for that. Nothing I'd necessarily say huge. We're working on a big rollout for our live trading program, similar to all props. You graduate guys to live. we've had stuff in place previously, but now that we have significantly larger user base now, we're looking to do some upgrades on that front. So that's really the bulk of it. Testing out a few new plans we're thinking about rolling out.
Ooh.
But yeah, maybe something, we always hear it. People don't like consistency as much, or they don't like the low consistency. They want something a little bit more flexible. So we're testing out a few things there. We've always sort of talked about testing out instant funded because everyone offers an instant funded these days. But nothing huge rolling out right now. Sort of just with the way. Actually, I guess one thing to say, it's not rolling out, is what we see. We're seeing a huge increase in options trading, kind of like across the board right now. I don't know if it's just everyone seeing like stuff like SPACEX and it's bringing them to trade single name tickers, but we're seeing like a pretty big pickup in the options space the past, I'd say, month or two, which is
definitely.
Which is pretty good for us to see.
Right now, too, for the audience with the code, I think what's the cheapest options account? Cheapest one's a 10K account. That with the code is only like $50.
$46.
So obviously, what's that?
46.
46. There you go. On that one, you can't sell spreads or anything. It's just traditional like long and short on the options. If you want the advanced options account, the cheapest one is $100 basically, or just under $100. So pretty cheap if you guys want to start trading options. And with the advanced options account, it's nice because you can sell spreads. Like today on ES, killer day to sell some spreads. Like, oh my gosh, if you sold call spreads earlier, or sold even like put spreads and held those throughout the majority of the day, I imagine they did well. Maybe when we sold off a little bit more, they wouldn't have. Maybe you would have had to get out of them. But regardless, being able to do that and capitalize on this sideways action is nice too. So
yeah, I would say selling call spreads today would have definitely done well.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That last pop, we had to like VWAP. You sell call spreads on that and just watch it drain all day.
Yeah.
Banger.
Ever since this gap up on, what is it? I guess it's Sunday night. I feel like it's just the most. That. What's that?
We still haven't filled that.
We haven't filled it, and it's been just the most boring price action, in my opinion. Like, it's either yesterday was like kind of just churny to the upside, and today's just slow grind down with some pops. Like, I miss when we get like a nice trend day, like a real sell off.
Waiting for that data tomorrow too,
Yeah.
I would love to see us go fill that gap, but I have this feeling that we won't want to try and do that tomorrow.
No.
It'll take some more time. Lately, these gaps have taken a little bit more time when we have a big one like that and we're trading far away from it. They've been taking a week or so to actually get to and fill.
Yeah,
so
I was going to say. Micron took a small beating there too, pulling these all up.
Let's go, Gary. Yeah, check out Vanquish, man. 53% off right now. So accounts are nice and cheap. We love cheap accounts. It's moving right now. We have no earnings going on. Gosh, it's dry. We don't have any big earnings until.
Well, it's that summertime, like, lull period, right?
Yeah, we don't really have anything till July.
Yeah, it was funny. I was like, I'm searching right now what earnings are coming up because I'm like, I have like my watch list stuff, and I'm like, everything's not really moving. It's either like trickling down a little bit.
But you're not a big lazy boy investor?
Lazy boy the ticker?
Lazy Boy Incorporated, yeah, LZB.
No way.
No,
well, dude, I think they get some strong earnings.
Yeah, it looks like they just had killer earnings.
Did they really?
Kroger? What about Kroger?
Dude, they really are up 12%.
12% after hours.
Lazy boy. They were down 7% today, but God.
Like, this is Lazy Boy, like the recliners, right? Like the chairs and
Yeah.
That's
exactly.
hilarious.
This
wow.
They must be
I've seen
killing.
worse charts.
Yeah, there's worse charts out there.
I get asked
Yeah.
about way worse charts than this on a daily basis. in this stream.
100%. Yeah.
I was gonna say, look at MicroStrategy. Things just get
Oh,
hammered.
somebody asked a great question today, Trevor. I'm going to pose it to you. Would you rather own Snapchat or MicroStrategy?
That's a good question.
Ooh, let me
think
pull
it
up
is.
Snapchat.
I struggled to answer. My answer was I'd rather put a toothpick under my toenail and kick a door.
Wow. Okay. I don't. Snapchat is just getting slaughtered. I guess if I want to make money, I mean, the future for MicroStrategy looks brighter than the Snapchat chart.
That's how
This is one of the worst which is worst questions I've ever felt in my life.
But I feel like the emotional volatility of owning MicroStrategy would drive me insane.
Yeah.
Like the Snapchat chart is sort of just a flat line at all-time lows permanently. MicroStrategy, I feel like I'd just panic. I feel like every day with that thing, it's like owning all the downside of Bitcoin without huge upside benefit. Like Bitcoin's only down like a point today, and MicroStrategy's down 6 points, or 6%.
October 5th is supposedly the end of the cycle down.
Yeah,
watch
what's
it.
that chart? What's that chart?
Well, it's like the bull run cycle, and it's like for like 1,064 days we rip, 364 days we pull back, and it's like this like over and over. It's just been happening. So we'll see if it happens. October 5th is the date
It's
that
happened like 4 or
supposedly
5
ends.
times.
What's that?
It's happened like 4 or 5 times? 4 times? I think it's been 4. How many cycles have there been in Bitcoin? Can't be that many, right?
I mean, these recent charts that I'm talking about were just based from 2014 specifically, but I'm sure there's
so 12 was his 3
other
other.
data.
No.
I just think there's such a small sample size. People have like this happened once before, so it's gonna happen again. Or
Yeah.
Bitcoin's done. Bitcoin always does this.
Like it's something to keep in mind for sure.
No,
I
it is.
wouldn't
No,
blindly put your
yes. Well,
net
it
worth
goes
on
into like what people think things are based off of, and the whatever the way the mining and the what's it called? The little split thing. Can't think of the term.
the halving.
Having.
Halving.
Yeah, I could not think of the term. Yeah, I don't.
Doesn't look good right now either. Like it's been popping, but it's just not popping into an area where it's super bullish. We need to like that whole box you have. We need to run through basically, and so I don't know. I just still.
Well, so I mean, like I'll just hide drawings. The biggest point of control for this entire last 6 months is right there where we just rejected on a down sloping, all down the sloping moving averages. After rejecting the 200-day, crazy hard up here. This just looks like a back test to me. Like you had a big consolidation. Right here, you popped out of it, you failed to hold above it, you traversed it, now you're back testing. Now where do you go? I don't know.
Yeah. Not the prettiest chart.
I just draw lines. They call me a chart squiggler sometimes in the Bitcoin spaces.
What did Robinhood? Did they release perps trading?
Coinbase was what I was reading about earlier.
It was Coinbase.
Coinbase had an event. They options products launching on their platform. They have pre-IPO product that they're launching, and there was one other thing. Tokenized stock trading.
Got it.
That'll be interesting.
I don't understand the whole tokenized stock trading thing.
It's a good question. What kind of spreads are available on Vanquish? Selling? Yes. I'll let Trevor
yes.
answer more deeply, but yes, you can do SPX spreads, call spreads, put spreads,
Yeah.
condors. There's all kinds of option strategies on there.
All level 4 options permissions. If you have an advanced account, you could trade, whatever your heart desires. I mean, you could even in theory sell naked calls, naked puts, but it would act as like a cash secured call, cash secured put. So you would need a larger account. But like you said, broken butterfly, iron condor, credit spreads,
Yeah.
whole 9
Zero
yards.
DTs all the way up.
Zero.
Goal. Damn it.
You could trade.
Sorry.
You could trade any strike, any expiration. It's just all positions must be closed by end of day. We don't offer swing trading or overnight holds. But if you're trading 0 day or selling 0 day spreads, we allow all of that.
Sir.
Mbappe just scored, by the way.
Oh.
Jordan's like, I don't even know who that is. Trevor, you a soccer guy?
No, but I'm rooting for you.
I'm not a soccer guy, but it's one sport I do wish I was into.
There you go.
Like, I watch hockey. All my friends watch soccer, though. So I feel like I'm just left out.
Hockey's fun to watch. I like hockey.
Hockey, I tell you,
I love
go.
hockey.
You have to go in person.
Yeah, I've never been.
That's
to
what I
those,
figured out.
though.
When back in when I was a kid, I remember they came out with the glow puck. So you could watch, like when you watched on TV, you could actually, because like this is before like 4K, right? This is back when you were just like watching standard definition TV. You couldn't even see the puck watching hockey on TV. So they did a glow puck thing, and I was like, okay, well I finally kind of see what's going on.
Yeah.
And then I was like, hockey's cool, but it just like, I mean, I grew up in the South, so it's like nobody talked about hockey, watched hockey. And then when I was in college, I was in St. Louis, and I went to a Blues game, and the atmosphere was incredible. And this was like a regular season game too. It was like, I don't know, November, December. It wasn't like late in the season or anything. Oh, goal.
Goal.
Oh, he's offside.
Tyson, when did you have an issue with the dashboard, if you don't mind? I want to see. Because like a year and a half ago, we had an issue with our dashboard. So I'm trying to see if that's from that long ago. Like, wow.
I've never had any issues, which is amazing.
We had this issue with the dashboard over a year ago now, where it had this weird cache updating thing, where probably 2 months ago, you would have to submit what the issue was with the dashboard, because they're currently live time on our site across the board. So I'd have to see or know what that is, but we aren't getting any reports of issues on the dashboard at this time. A year ago, there was a cache issue with it, but yeah, I'd have to see what this is. What match are you watching right now?
It's France and Senegal.
Oh, okay.
So, France versus a former colony of France. Senegal's a talented team, though. It's 1-0.
Country Green Property, if you don't mind, shoot a message to support if you couldn't trade. Was it a market data thing? Because I'm trying to see if it's a market data thing. That's if someone gets flagged for professional or non-professional. But I want to make sure you're taken care of here.
Yeah, what? Because he said he had a lot of issues and couldn't were you saying like
he couldn't trade?
Well, but I think he's saying like because of the issues, he just felt like he couldn't trade, so he stopped.
Yeah.
Or if there's actually like something preventing you from trading.
Yeah, that's why I kind of just want to figure that out. I'd rather help. But also, just because like I wouldn't know the details from this. If you shot a message to support and just say like I brought this up on the stream or something, request an escalation or something, I'll try to have someone pull it for me so I could take a look, because I'm not personally aware of any dashboard issues, or if you were unable to trade, you know, how we can help you to make sure you can.
Yeah, and for everybody that's getting on here for the first time, just a reminder that you're gonna get an email to sign a market agreement. Just make sure you do that too, because if you don't, it might be prohibiting you from trading. I don't know if that might be the issue or something, but just for anybody out there, make sure you enable that.
Because that is the one thing I see time to time, less so these days because we have like an automated push for it. When you log
I
into your
even did it.
dashboard, it'll
I
sort of
hit
say,
you
like,
up when I first got on there, and I was like, "Oh, I can't trade." He's like, "Oh, just go to your email and confirm that."
That happens, but I just want to make sure everyone's taken care of there. When do I feel like I should know the answer to this, but they're rolling out the extended trading options on the majors. When was that?
I guess
That
July.
was-
Have you guys
July
seen that?
11th or 14th, somewhere in
Is
there,
it?
somewhere in July. 10th, 11th, something like that.
Yeah. Hold on. We posted about it. Let me scroll back and try and find the post that we made.
July
Is
13th.
that what it is?
Oh,
Are you guys already like, what's the term? Prepping for like pre-market after hours, or are you guys gonna wait and kind of let it fix itself first?
let it fix itself. Yeah, we would let that fix itself because I don't know what those spreads are going to look like if we just roll that out early on. When we first launched, we had that, and
Well, so the biggest problem would be you could like violate your account just based on the spreads.
Pretty much.
And that would just be
it tracks
bad for
off
traders.
of midpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it tracks off of mid, but if there's any like illiquidity in the spread, it would just not be good for traders at all. And that would be something near impossible for us to contain. So when we first launched over a year and a half ago now, we offered extended trading hours on SPX and a few other tickers. And that was the issue we kept running into. The spread on them will randomly just gap in either direction.
Like as you're getting close to the open, you see, like people are they start moving, placing bids and stuff for the market open. Things start go all over the place. I mean, I've seen options contracts where the spread is 50 cents wide or further, and then like somebody pulls all their bids and raises them, and all of a sudden the midpoint goes flying up, and then when you actually open, it's like way back down to where it originally was. It's just weird.
Yeah, that's what we pretty much saw. It's not that liquid after hours. So that is what we saw when we offered that. We also used to offer the stock trading with similar. You were allowed to trade pre and post market. We saw the same exact issue.
Oh, what was that? I was going to ask you something, Trevor, and I keep getting distracted by a soccer game, to be 100% honest.
You're all good.
Jordan had a great question. I was going to ask something. Dang it.
Sorry, I'm just over here working on
No, you're good.
video.
It was a good question. I just can't remember what my question was. I don't know. Even if I wasn't watching soccer, I would still have this issue.
Ended up resetting my account, but it took days.
Yeah, I'd have to. I mean, with this item, I'd have to see what it is, just because I have like our resolution speed up on tickets.
Mm-hmm.
It's like our average resolution's 15 minutes, so I'd have to see what these are to even kind of figure it out. But I'm not sort of saying this in like a bad way. It's like truthfully, just from a comment, I would need more detail, etc.
That's why too, guys. Always reach out if you need help. Trevor's always here to help in the team, so make
Yeah.
sure you're reaching out and
So-
ask him for that help.
I'm racking my brain trying to think of what I was going to ask you.
I was talking about the SIVO, the extended hours.
It was like right before that. Somewhere between the hockey conversation and the extended hours conversation. somewhere in between those.
Yeah, I'm trying to jog my head.
Oh, it'll come to me. You can always jump in the Discord.
Yeah.
Tag Jake in there.
I'm trying to think though.
Oh, have you? So you guys have seen an uptick in trading?
The options, like a large uptick in trading.
In what, like over
But-
what time period? Like just the last few weeks, last couple months?
Honestly, like probably the past month, I'd say.
Interesting.
And I mean, obviously, my online algorithm is probably going to push me in the direction of options as well, just because of this work. But you know, I'm starting to see, or at least I feel like I'm seeing more people trading options, which is, it's cool to see. Like again, I remember, man, like 2014 to like 2018, the only stuff you saw online was guys trading options. Like futures trading just didn't take off like that. Everyone either traded options, stocks, or penny stocks. So then futures took over like absolute crazy. Now seeing options come back a little bit's kind of cool.
Oh yeah, the futures boys got me even.
Yep.
I used to be all
They
over
got
options.
everyone. Well, I do think futures, if you're like a beginner trader, it is an easier product to trade.
Yeah, you don't have
You
that
know,
time.
it's, if it goes up, if it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. So I think it is easier. It's almost like trading stocks, just with a ton of leverage.
Agreed. But
Yeah,
it's also
I would say this though, like there's like as you learn to trade and advance in trading, there's situations where you should be looking for, you know, taking a directional trade, but there's times where like selling premium is way better. Like whether you're a futures trader or not, there's a lot of times where like the setup of the day or the afternoon or whatever it is way more conducive. Like a lot of times, like going into the day, selling call premium was probably just as good as shorting. I mean, obviously it worked out because we did pull back pretty far today, but there's days where you just have pretty obvious looking inside type of consolidation days where selling premium just makes way more sense. Like basically playing it back to the middle by selling puts or calls outside of the range is way more like, is probabilistic a word? Maybe I'm making that word up, but like you like statistically have a better win rate that way.
Yeah.
Or a higher success rate.
Yeah. Well, I have some guys who we work with, or guys who are bigger in the future space, and they've never traded options, and they're talking with us, and it's a lot of them are realizing, they're like, oh, I just purchased a contract, and you treat the contract like your drawdown. You know, essentially think about it. You buy one SPX, your 100% loss is, let's call it $1,000, and then your maximum upside is hypothetically 3,000. I think it's maybe not the best way to trade, but guys are viewing it strictly from like an RR perspective. And the RR skew in options is really high. But yeah, that's one differentiating thing. But I see a lot of people in the future space, they keep talking about gamma exposure. and like
Yeah,
options
order
trading
flow
tools
and
being
gamma
used.
is like the newest, hottest thing for futures, I think.
Yeah, which I mean, it makes sense just because you are looking at the whole pie of trading instead of just ES or NQ. You're looking at like how options play a role into it or any other data. But I feel like that has really exploded recently. Everyone just talks about order flow and gamma, and that ties back into options.
Definitely. Well, crew, it's been a day.
Tomorrow's gonna be wild.
Hopefully we get some
Yeah.
better movement, a little less chop, but we'll see. We'll see. Short week.
I think tomorrow's
Oh,
gonna
weird.
be just whipsaw back and forth.
Yeah, it could be.
In the morning, I have no idea what it does in the morning, but then later.
Well, gonna be fun. Trevor, always a pleasure, brother, having you come
Yep.
on and hang out with us.
Yeah, thank you for having me, guys.
You got anything you want to leave us with?
Flash sale ends tomorrow at midnight.
Heard
So after that, it goes percent. But with code Wolf, you'll get 53% off. It's going to be nice. We got a long weekend coming up. I'm excited for that.
That will be nice.
Nothing. Yeah, 3-day weekend's always nice. But no, thank you guys for always having me.
Yes, sir. If you guys are in the audience, we posted that link. I'll post it again. Let me see if I still have it on. Oh, I got to get it again. I'll get it again for you guys for Vanquish. But use code Wolf. Get that 50% off. We love those discounts, especially on Vanquish. Because the options accounts, we like to be able to get a deal on those. And I know you guys haven't, a lot of you guys in the chat haven't tried them out yet. So always like to be able to catch those at a deal. MP, got any other thoughts?
No, I mean,
Wrap
I
up?
could always sit here and chat with Trevor anytime about everything. Life. Trevor, how's the dating life for you? Are you locked up or what's going on? No, I'm just kidding. Don't answer. Trevor just seems like a guy I would sit down and have a drink with, talk about anything.
Oh, yeah.
Come to Miami.
If I ever make it to Miami, we'll definitely have to link up.
We'll grab dinner.
I feel like at some point Miami will be on our horizon. And we're doing
Yeah.
our first event. We're doing it in New York in
Yeah.
August. But I feel like Miami's probably a natural place to have one, like in the future. Miami's probably more desirable for a lot of people to go to.
A lot of the trading spaces down here. It's actually like kind of wild.
Ton of traders down there.
It's kind of wild walking around some days. Because I'm like, I don't know, you kind of just see people you work with that live literally downstairs or around you or walking distance, or you bump into them at dinners. It's cool. Small world. But
That is
I
cool.
might catch you guys up there in August. I'll try to come up. Nice to meet
That'd be
everyone.
Should.
We'd
I'll,
love to
I'll
have
get you. I'll get you a special VIP pass.
Oh. That's August 3rd, right?
All that does is August 3rd. It's a Monday.
Okay,
All it does is
sweet.
get you in the door, but I'll get you in the door.
Appreciate
and we'll
it.
put VIP on there, so it makes you feel special.
Wow.
There we go.
What a guy! What can I say? A nice guy.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, crew. We're going to wrap it up for the day. It's been a beautiful day. Back tomorrow. Wait, Emp, you're
Tomorrow
not
morning,
on
guys,
till
that if you're still
afternoon.
here, tomorrow morning I'm doing a Father's Day thing at my kid's school, and I won't be here till the afternoon, so it will only be spaces in the morning.
Heard that. So everybody come join Spaces, and then we'll be on stream later in the day when Emp gets back and he gets on stream. We'll hop over there then. So join Spaces with me, hang out with the crew. We'll all be on there, and we'll see you guys then. So peace out, crew.
Awesome.
Appreciate you, Trevor. Have a good one, bro.
Be good. Thank you guys. Peace.